evening everyone. I'm here for the presentation and my presentation is on steel industry in India. First of all, I would like to give you some introduction about steel. Steel, as we all know, is crucial to the development of any modern economy and is considered to be the backbone of human civilization. It is a product of large and technological complex industries having backward and forward linkages in terms of material flows and income generation. Now I would like to throw some light on a history of steel. Steel was discovered by the Chinese under the reign of Han Dynasty in 202 BC till 220 AD. From China, the process of making steel from iron spread to its south and reached to India. And steel soon became an important part of every economies and world starting depending on it. Now steel industry in India. As we all know, steel has been the key material with which India is considering to be the developing country, and all the engineering tools, mechanical tools, and most importantly building and construction structures like rods, angles, wires are all made up of steels because of its feature being hard and adaptable. Indian industry is poised for a rapid growth. The share of Indian steel industry in the world production of steel is remarkable as compared to the last years. If we talk about the major players of the steel, in public sectors we have Steel Authority of India Limited, we have Metal Scrap Trade Corporations Limited, Hindustan Steel Workers Corporation Limited, and if we talk about private sectors, we have Tata Steel Limited, and we have Isar Steel Limited, JSW Steel Limited, and in market share, SAIL has the biggest market share compared to all, that is of 32%. Last but not the least, we'll talk about export and import of steel industry. Exports have grown faster at a rate exceeding 25% in the year between the year 1991 and 1992 to 2002 and 2003. Till now, till now, export levels stagnated around 4 to 4.5 million. And on the other hand, if we talk about imports followed a very difficult growth path because in spite of progressive reduction in custom duties after deregulations, imports remain around 1 to 2 million per year, but it is being reported that in the last 2 fiscal it rose rapidly. I'm through with my presentation. If anybody has any queries, you can ask.
How much is the share of India's steel production in the world?
If we compare from 1981, it is 1.7 and now it is 7.3.
It is the most selling company in India. Tata Power, so it is the most selling company of steel.
Private sector is considered to be the engine of growth, as it is paying the contribution of private sector is more as compared to the public sector.